Hi guys, how are you? Hope you all are fine and healthy. We are Mirai Solutions, one of the organizers of e-Rum2020. Needless to say that we have preferred 100 times a real conference, a normal one, and meet you all in person. But given the circumstances, I truly believe that a virtual conference is the best alternative. So first of all, thank you to the organizing committee for not giving up, taking on the challenge of organizing a virtual conference. In the next few minutes, we will try to answer all the questions that you could have asked us more informally during coffee breaks at the conference. The idea is that at the end of this video, you will get a clear picture of who we are, MiraiSolutions, what we do, and why we love participating in conferences like e-Rum. So, thanks for watching the video, and let's kick off.
As organizing partner, so we are going to offer a workshop at e-Rum2020, and this workshop is titled Bring Your R application safely to production, collaborate, deploy, and automate. So we are going to discuss the best practices and workflows to make a package that shiny up ready for production.
In the context of e-Rum2020, I am also particularly proud of what we have put together for the COVID-R contest, where we came up with a set of open source tools to enable the submission, showcasing, and voting of contributions. And a large part of this is actually based on a new package, RMD Gallery, which I have started developing a few months ago in parallel to the contest.
R has a very active, welcoming and enthusiastic community with many conferences, meetups and resources for learning about R and for sharing ideas and shaping the R ecosystem. Such a community is of tremendous value, and I believe R would not be where it is today without it.
Creating an R project environment that is isolated, portable, reproducible, and easy to deploy has been sometimes problematic for me in the past. However, things improved with projects like MRAN and lately with the RM package.
So you're asking a statistician what he likes about R. So R is a statistical language, so it's definitely my favorite, and I chose it since I did my Master of Statistics back in 2006, and I'm still pretty much attached to it, and I still believe it's the best statistical language at the
moment. We use Python for research projects in the insurance space, as well as prototypes for educational purposes or for exploring topics like website scraping. We've been using Scala very successfully in a platform that enables development and execution of large analytics workflows. And finally, we're the developers of Excel Connect, which is an R package that enables you to access, write, and also format data in Excel sheets. That package is implemented in Java.
Personally, I'm also proud of a small hobby project that I've been working on some time ago, where I implemented a basic R interpreter ground up in Scala. And I learned a lot about R language internals while doing that.
So I work for Oasis, which is not a band, but it's a non-profit organization that does catastrophe modeling. And I am currently working on the development of their user interface, so their front end. And this is done in R and Shiny and then delivered to them through GitHub. And yeah, it's a lot of fun.
COVID-19 is a shiny app developed here in Mirai Solutions that we submitted to the COVID contest, which is an initiative of the e-Rum2020 conference. Within the COVID contest, basically all work done in R and about the topic of COVID-19 is welcome. Our Shiny app is a way to analyze and visualize data for different countries, and I think that our strength comes in the possibility of comparing the data across multiple countries.
I'm working for Mirai for many years now and I keep enjoying it. What I like the most is the team. It's just a set of great people with various competencies, personalities, and skills, which make the work together very nice and very interesting at the same time. The people are allowed and actually even encouraged to follow their own initiative. And that could be a project, like you want to develop a Shiny app, or it could be a training, a workshop, a school. Everything that makes that you can learn something new and that you can basically develop yourself in the direction that also you wish. On my side, a few years ago, I made the certification to be a Scrum Master. Yeah, that actually was a good evolution on my profile.
Mirai Solutions is a Zurich-based consultancy and software development company active in data science. It was founded in 2009 from the idea of 3 colleagues that were working together before for a company called Insightful. We were also developing and selling a software called S+. You might have actually heard of it. I think so, because S was the statistical programming language developed by John Chambers back in the 70s, 80s in the Bell Labs. And the modern version of S is actually called R. So we switched to the R world. We have been quite active there since the beginning, but still we stayed in the financial areas where we had the main expertise as data scientists.
Around 2007-8, we started using R on some projects. And roughly with the emergence of R211 in 2010, I did mainly R for analytics. When I say R for analytics, I mean that I seldomly saw and see R being used purely on its own. Often it's integrated in a bigger system with other software, services, tools and languages being in use at the same time.
Mirai Labs is one of the initiatives of Mirai Solutions, and it's a series of workshops aimed at data scientists working as professionals, where we aim at providing hands-on experience on some of the data science hot topics.
An open source R project I've been involved in is SparkBQ, which is a Spark Layer extension package providing integration with Google BigQuery. SparkBQ is built on top of Spark BigQuery, another Mirai Solutions open source project, which provides a Google BigQuery data source to Apache Spark. With SparkBQ, you can query BigQuery tables, manipulate the data in a Spark cluster using deployer pipelines, and finally, write data back into Google BigQuery tables.
Without any doubt, I would recommend IDS, Insurance Data Science, former R in Insurance. I like it because it's only 1-day conference. And in this very short, but you can get very encapsulated the state of art of the data science in the insurance industry. For us, for Mirai, since we carry on most of our projects in the insurance industry, IDS is very attractive. We have been participating many times, giving talks, sponsoring, But the most important of everything, I would say, is that each time we go and we try to attend all the editions, we learn a lot. So definitely, IDS, for us, a must.
It's time finally to start with the talks and the workshops that have been prepared for you. We will be available during the conference. There are some organized chat rooms where we can reply to you in case you have any questions. You can also visit our website, of course, that I'm here displaying thanks to our powerful IT solutions that our senior IT architects prepared for us. Thank you very much, guys. Amazing job. By the way, info@mirai-solutions.com if you want to get in touch. But now it's time to start. So, auf Wiedersehen, viel Spaß miteinander.
Bye-bye, everybody. Have a nice virtual e-Rum 2020.
Thank you for watching. I hope to see you at the conference.
Thanks for watching. I hope you are making it to the conference, so see you there.
Bye-bye, see you at the conference.
Enjoy the conference. Bye.
I wish you all a thriving virtual conference and hopefully a bit of Milan atmosphere in your own four walls. Have fun.
I wish you all a very nice e-Rum 2020 conference and I can't wait to meet you all, even though just virtually.
Goodbye. I wish you all the best and enjoy the conference.